So this is how we can copy and paste a sentence. But suppose we want to move a sentence from a point in our document to some other point in our document. As you know, select the sentence first, and this time we will cut it. So click on this cut button and the sentence will disappear. That means it has been cut. And now place your cursor wherever you want to paste that text. Suppose I want this text at the beginning of our paragraph. So I take my cursor to the beginning and we can simply click on this paste and our sentence is here. Tiger is our national animal. So this is how we can copy and we can cut and we can move text inside our paragraph, and this is how we can edit our document. In the next tutorial we will learn how to format our text. Thank you.